Hello, welcome to this week's draw along. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a chameleon, which was one of the requests from our Instagram page last week. So you will need a pencil and a rubber, and if you want to go around yours in pen like I have, then I use a fine liner, but a biro or a felt tip will work fine. So the first step in drawing your chameleon, you need to draw a circle for the head. Just rough and lightly with a pencil. So the next step, to do the body, you need to draw a G shape. So it's an oval for the body with a tail. So it forms a G shape. Okay, so next, to do the head, start where the head meets the body. Go around the top of the circle and out just a little bit like that. And then come in to about 2/3 of the way across the head and put a line to make the mouth. So then you have a little bit that comes out like that, and then from about halfway along there, follow the circle back to meet the body. The next step for the body, go just a little bit above your circle, but follow the line round. Go down the tail, following the line of the G you drew, and then into a curl. Then from this point, go back around, getting a bit wider as you go up to meet the body, and then join it up at the bottom. So the next step is to put some stripes on him. So it's wavy lines like that, getting a little bit shorter as they go across the back. All the way down the tail as well, to about there. The next step is to put the feet on. So the back foot comes round like that, and then chameleon's feet are kind of split into two, like that. So that's the back leg. The front leg comes down like that, and again the foot is split into two. So that's your front leg. So for the eyes, next, has one really big eye with a black circle in the middle. I tend to leave just a tiny white dot like that. And then it has an arch over the top. And then if you just draw a bit the other side, so it looks like there's another eye behind. Add the nostrils, so they're kind of teardrop shaped, like that. And the final step is to put a branch for your chameleon to be sat on. So it just needs to go across underneath of it like that. Something like that. And then the final step is to put in the feet behind. So it's just a line to make it look like there's another foot on the other side. And that is your finished chameleon. So if you want to go around it with a pen, so you can get rid of those pencil lines. This might take me a minute, I can't edit it out on my phone like I would on my computer, so I'll be as quick as I can. So around the edge. Don't worry if you're not exactly on the pencil lines, because we're going to rub them out anyway. There we go. So once you've gone around the edge of your chameleon, oh, missed the foot, you can then rub out your pencil lines. Okay, it's a little bit rough, so I'm doing it quickly, but that is pretty much, just rub that bit out. That is pretty much your chameleon. So when you've drawn yours, if you send them to us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, if you're using Instagram or Twitter, use the hashtag #ThePaintRoomDrawAlong, or just send them to us on our Facebook page and we'll pick a winner at 6 o'clock tonight. Thanks for watching. See you next week.